Please go to the description box and comment box to copy the all question for part 1 and part 2. Part 2, question 12. You are serving as the lead architect for the research team at the prime for the Dreadnought Unmanned Aircraft System project. The company has growing rapidly by the acquisition and has inherited numerous different procurement processes and related IT systems. The decision has been made to consolidate and reduce redundant procurement process and system. So company will seek to leverage higher volume discount and lower related IT support cost by instituting a varied supplier program. Togaf 9 is used to internal enterprise architecture activity. At present, there is no particularly useful architecture asset related to these initiatives. So all assets need to be acquired and customized or created from scratch. The company refers to implement ownership of the self practice implementation with detailed customization. The CIO, who is project sponsor. The architecture development project has put in place its architecture capability for the project and has started a number of iteration cycles to develop the system architecture must be addressed the stakeholder concerns such as which procurement related business process are supported by 0, 1 or many existing applications. What non-procurement application will need to be integrated with any new procurement application? What data will need to be shared? So that's the answer is C. In the earlier iteration of architecture development, you describe the target application architecture, an application communication diagram, and an application interactive matrix. You describe the target data architecture with a data entry business function matrix and a system data matrix. In the later iteration of architecture development, you would describe the baseline application architecture with a system function matrix and describe the baseline data architecture with a data entity and the component data. 13. Your role is lead architect in multinational automation program. Technical German and circular track and bus. Within the relation of farms across the North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Each of these plants being operating its own planning and production scheduling system as well as custom development application that drive the automated production equipment at this plant. The company has an ongoing initiative to improve their efficiency to all the production operation. It's particular to reduce its carbon footprint. So company are going to develop a ERP system located to central data center. Central data system would provide software to each of this plant, replacing the functionality in the existing system. It will also demonstrate that need for full data center to each of the plant facilities. The enterprise architecture development has been operating for several years and has massive well-developed architecture government and development process that has been Togaf standards. At a recent meeting, the architects have involved approved a request of architecture were sponsored by the local CA. Architecture project team now been formed and has to develop an architecture vision that will assess the desired outcome and the benefits. Some of the senior managers have expressed concerns about the security, reliability of driving her from in the remote center. Answer is B. The team should identify the individual group within the organization who will contribute to the project in order to understand who has concern about the initiatives. The team should then hold a series of interviews at each of the manufacturing plant using the business scenario technique. This will then enable them to identify the components, the key high-level stakeholder requirement of the architects. Question for the basic company strategy, accounting and financial service company. It has expanded. About the year, they're now leading North American IT and business service providers. with the numerous this area and a quantity a drivers engage under any given time. Overall, engagement management has become challenging. The enterprise architecture team is working to create the company enterprise architecture framework to address this issue. The team has identified a preliminary framework and held workshop with stakeholders to define a key principle to govern the architecture. They have completed an architecture vision at a strategic level and laid out architecture definition for the 4D. They have set out an ambitious vision of the future of company over a 5 years period. So the discussion answer is D required to preferring the implementation flow. There are several techniques that should be applied to assess the risks and the value of the proposed transformation. In particular, the enterprise research team should pay attention to the business transformation, readiness assessment, and the business review assessment. Question 15. The ABC Limited is a leading medical device manufacturer, high competitive market for migraine headquarters pain management device. These tiny wireless devices are implanted in the brain and can deliver a precise electric shock when the wearable pain control unit. It can increase in stress, including by the onset of a migraine headache. This technology will be breakthrough in the treatment of this condition, and several competitors are striving the fast to introduce a product into the market. The enterprise group company has engaged in a development project to create a secure network collaboration system that will allow the researcher at each product development laboratory worldwide to share information about the independent clinical trials. The Test Development Group is a major organization that has utilized Togaf for 7 years. The project team has how they complete the business information technology surface has produced a complete set of deliverables of each phase. The execution clinical research is the sponsor of the enterprise architecture activity. He has started that the sense of the enterprise architecture for the new system will roll out the graphical basis that minimal distribution with clinical trial. Refer the scenario, the answer is using a conservative gaps, the solution and the dependency matrix as a planning tool for each gap is classified whether the solution is either a new development, fresh solution and or based on an existing